Guys, it's your guy again, Prosper FX, and we're back with another one. Yeah, we got the flow now. We're keeping him going. Keep uploading. We gotta make bread. We gotta keep making that paper, guys. It's another one, binary.com. We're back with another one. So today we got quite an interesting one. It's range break. Range break. I haven't seen quite a lot about range break on YouTube, so yeah, guys, I decided let me be the first. Okay, I'm not the first, but let me be the first of the best, if that's one way to put it. Anyway, yeah, guys, range break. This is quite an interesting one. The way this moves, it's very it's unpredictable, unorthodox, unpredictable, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to call it, you really can't tell its next move. And I did my research about this. First off, let me start by explaining, before I give you guys the strategy, let me start off by explaining binary.com itself. Guys, binary.com, it's I wouldn't call it your average forex broker. I'm not gonna lie, guys. There's quite a lot going on behind that we do not know yet. There's quite a lot going on in the background. So, first of all, guys, it's more of a casino type trading based platform. So I don't know if that makes sense. It's more of gambling in a way. When you go online, you can even see it as soon as you log in, you see it there. They give you all these games, all these mini games to play that are like casino like. So yeah, guys, you can't come with the mentality. This is one of the instruments they use to conduct their gambling and all that stuff. But this is based on using MT5 platform, range break 200 and range break 100. So yeah, guys, you can't be using your typical your typical price action strategy to trade this. They know about that. This is not gonna work here. It might work on VIX, but not here. Maybe on boom also, boom and crash, but definitely not here. If it worked for you here, it's pure luck. Let me just say that, pure luck. So yeah, guys, yeah, this is quite an unpredictable market. I'm not gonna lie, but a quite interesting one. So I prefer 200. 100 lately has been doing it's been quite choppy. Not choppy, but it doesn't meet the criteria I needed to do before I take a trade. So range break 200. First of all, guys, you open your 1 hour chart. Okay, cool. You just look through it. Look for a M or a W, a recent M or a W. There's an M right here, clear as day, M. Then you go into your 15 minutes, your M15. And what you want to see here is consolidation. You want it to consolidate. There's some nice consolidation right here. Some young consolidation, not too much. You want it to consolidate. Look right here at the top. Let me just shift a little bit. Right here. Look at this. Some nice consolidation. Let me mark it out for you guys so you can see all the areas where spot consolidation. Here's another one here. It's quite a lot, but you guys get the picture. This is what we want to see. This is what we want to see. You want to see an M or a W in 1 hour, then you want to see this. Want to see a lot of this, but this is a past consolidation. You want something that's going on now, so this is what we look for right here. So at first, I'm sure you could create your own strategy where you put like a buy stop here and a sell stop. Well, unfortunately, binary.com is it's not an ECN broker. I think it's a market maker. I'm not sure, but it's not an ECN or a true ECN, because like that strategy does not work here. Your pending orders will get shifted If you put a pending order here, pending buy stop, and a sell stop here, if it goes up, it will shift your order until the next available open price. So that if you really want to lose, that's one way to do it, you know. If you thought about that using your pending orders, that's good. That means you've been, you know, that means you can think outside the box. Not think outside the box, preferably, but you know, you're smart when it comes to this game. So okay, now let me just mark this up. Let me just mark that up. So yeah, guys. Now you got your consolidation. Next, you wanna use your. It's time to implement the tools, guys. Now I'm gonna implement the tools. So we're only gonna use one tool. It's actually two tools, but you know they work together to form one great tool. So first of all, you're gonna need obviously your RSI, guys, relative strength index. We need to see where the strength is at. You know that only makes sense to use your RSI. So period is 1, guys. Period 1. These are the settings. You know, you can always style it out the way you want. So I always like to use mine in blue, 2 pixel, levels 90 and 10. Those are the best levels. You can tweak it out, but 90 and 10 is the best. So alright, cool, we got that down. Alright, nice. And there we, under indicator window, we add our second indicator, which is our awesome oscillator. Awesome oscillator under Bill Williams. Also awesome oscillator, it reminds me a lot of the MACD in a way, quite similar indeed. So these are the settings. It's one of my favorite oscillators actually. You know, it's quite clear. So guys, this is what you do basically. Everything has been set up nicely. You start off on your charts. Remember, we started here. We look for our M. Sorry about that. We look for our M. There's our M here. M. Then we look for 15 minutes consolidation. We got that too. And then we look to our indicator. You know, you have to zoom out if you're using a phone, especially like this. Okay, let me just be real with you. This is for mobile version only. Mobile version. You know, I'm still gonna create one for PC, but mobile you have to zoom out completely. You know, like max zoom out. You know, not zoom in. This is zoom in. Max zoom out. You know, where you can't even see the different colors of the candlesticks. So guys, this is what you do. You just read your indicator. Nice and simple. The first stroke or line that enters this area here, that breaches your buy or your sell zone, you take the trade based on that. The first one that like penetrates that line, you know that, hey, this is where we're going. Look here, guys. Look, can you see? Let me zoom a little bit. We have our focus is on the indicator now, guys. Our focus is on the indicator. Look here, guys. Look. The first one that goes in. The first one that goes in. We will be looking to take it the opposite direction. You put your buy here. As soon as it penetrates or touches your buy, you put your buy zone. You put your buy and you let it go. You let it go. And if you put your buy, you would have entered somewhere here and you would have been in profit right now. This was a spike, but it didn't spike much because of this consolidation area here. Let's look for more examples. There's another one. You know, guys, find the best consolidations. If it consolidates like quite a lot like these are one of my favorites, you know, then you can also you know, use your basic principles. You know, if most of the time when markets consolidate, they reverse. So if you see quite a long stretch of consolidation like this, you must know most of the time it will reverse 80% of the time, you know. So here, boom, it dropped. As soon as you get one spike, you take it and you leave. So there's the signal. The signal was given here earlier on. As soon as you enter here, you wait for it to change color. As soon as it changes color to red, then you know, all right, cool. Remember, guys, you have to wait for it to change color first. When it's red, then you sell. You would have entered your sell somewhere here. It would have taken you on a ride first, a young consolidation ride, but it wouldn't have much impact on your account. It wouldn't, if nothing bad would have happened to you until you got your profit and you're out. Always put a take profit. Your take profit will also get shifted. Put a take profit of just say whatever price it is minus 100. It will get shift and you will eat this whole candle. If your take profit seems to be here, don't worry. You will have the whole candlestick. So yeah, guys. Yeah, that's about it, guys. You have to zoom out completely, guys. Zoom out. See, here's another entry here. Look at that. And it went all the way up. So you could have entered here. So here, somewhere here. You could swing this as well. It went all the way up, all the way up. There's another entry here. Right here. Sorry about that. It was right here. See if I can catch it. There it is right here. This was a quick one. Could have sold, I mean, and then all the way here. Could have that and you're done. And you're done, guys. It's that simple. Stretch out your markets. So the conditions are, what can I say? They are optional. I always like to, just have a little bit of directional basis, have an M or a W first, but that's up to you. But what's important is the consolidation. You have to see the consolidation, guys. You have to let it consolidate first on M15. Once you see consolidation, then all right, cool. You're looking at your indicator now, indicator window. So yeah, guys, that's about it. Subscribe, like, comment, guys. If you have any tweaks, if you want to share something, put it in the comments. If you want something to be more clarified, comments, like, and subscribe, guys. I'll be posting more. Soon I'll be posting desktop strategies. I'll go back to currencies eventually. Yeah. But there's not a lot on currencies, I don't wanna confuse you and give you all these random things. I want something that's gonna work for you. Everyone must find something for themselves to match their own trading style or their plan, because everybody's day is different. Some of us don't have access to laptops, because of work, or we just can't afford one right now. Yeah, guys. So I'm trying to help everyone out. So yeah, guys, you see there's quite a lot of entries here, but you must take this small, like use a small lot size, and you won't go wrong. I'm still gonna modify it. I have a few mods that I've been testing out, but this is quite a good basic one. You'll make money with this one. So yeah, guys, subscribe, Prosper FX, and we out.